Eyeglasses. We have two jobs. Help us see better and help us look better.
That's right. One local stylist who I love to the core, Edward Beiner, is doing both with technology that is no optical illusion. It's clear to see Edward Beiner eyewear has staying power.
We have been here for a very long time, 30 some odd years, and 38 years to be exact. And it is about service.
Beiner has glasses that are sure to stand out. So we headed to his South Miami store to check out an eye-catching brand new look.
The one thing that we're doing, and I don't believe anybody else is doing this in the US right now, is 3D printed eyewear.
These aren't just regular 3D glasses. The frames are 3D printed and can be used with prescription lenses or can be made into sunglasses.
The materials that the glasses are made, regular eyeglasses are made, is called an acetate. 3D printing is a polyamide, is a material, it's a powder in this particular case, that is layered to create a pair of eyeglasses.
The specs are designed in a computer program, and a fancy schmancy 3D printer creates frames that are lightweight and hypoallergenic.
When it comes out as a big blob that's got to be cleaned up, polished up, and finished up.
From round to more rectangular, or from the look of animal skin to ornate details. 3D frames come in some standard shapes and colors, or you can go crazy.
The one thing that we can do with 3D printing is customize it. So you come over here and you tell me, I have a beautiful shirt and I want to match the color of that shirt to the eyeglasses that I'm going to wear.
There are 3D frames for men, women, or even some that are unisex.
My goal was to print eyeglasses or design eyeglasses that people can enjoy and wear. That being said, we also decided to do some really wild and crazy styles so that the consumer can understand what can be done with 3D printing that you cannot do with regular eyeglasses.
The 3D printed frames start at just under $400. And they're super light. If you wear glasses, you hate it when they're heavy here, so.
This changes everything. You can match it to your clothing.
Right.
Match it to whatever you want.
Exactly. Your underwear, your bikini.
I almost want to start wearing glasses again.